Hello guys! Time check!
It's React time!
Yes, ako nga pala inyong Ninong Ray.
At ako si Matalim Vlog.
And for today's video ay magre-react tayo sa kanta ni Gary Valenciano.
Yes,
diba? Talaga naman.
My idol, Ninong.
Naks, ako din. Actually, kinakanta ko nito yung mga kanta niya dati nung high school, college, no? Kasi napakaganda ng kanyang mga songs talaga.
Absolutely.
Diba? So, anong paborito mong kanta ni Gary V?
Maliban dito sa ano natin, sa i-react natin, yung Warrior is a Child.
Ay, oo. Alam mo yon, yung Warrior is a Child, alam ko dati naging kanta yan nung nawala si Rico yan. Diba yung Warrior is a Child? Comment down below nga kayo guys kung yun nga talaga yung kinanta ni Gary V nung hinatid sa himlayan si Rico yan. Hello sa mga batang 80s and 90s na nanonood ngayon. So ito na guys, it's react time para sa kanta ni Gary Valenciano. Yes. So na guys, panoorin natin. Intro pa lang yan, no? Nakakaano na. Baka nasa studio na siya.
Just what is it in me?
Ooh.
Sometimes I just don't know what keeps me in your love, why you never let me go.
Grabe.
And though you're in me now, I fall and hurt you still. My Lord, please show me how to know just how you feel. 'Cause you have forgiven me too many times it seems. I feel I'm not what you might call a worthy Christian after all. And though I love you so, temptation finds its way to me. Teach me to trust in you with all of my heart, to lean not on my own understanding, 'cause I just forget. You won't give me what I can't bear. Take me out of the dark, my Lord, I don't wanna be there. No, no, no more.
Woo!
Galing.
Ang galing, grabe.
Swabing-swabe, Ninong. At
Swabing-swabe.
saka yung message, Ninong.
Oo nga, ang ganda ng mensahe. Kumbaga parang, take me out of the dark, my Lord. Dumadating tayo sa punto ng buhay natin na minsan parang nawawalan tayo sa direksyon sa buhay.
Nasa dilim.
Nasa dilim tayo. Dilim tayo.
Dilim.
Ito guys, pakinggan ulit natin. Grabe talaga. As in.
You've never left my side.
Oh?
You gave your hand to me to hold. Oh, Jesus, I'm no longer in the cold. And yet I leave you there when I feel satisfied. I'd like to thank you every day, not only when I feel this way.
Wow.
I've never known a man who'd give his life for sinners like me. Yet because he loves us so, he's promised us eternity, and we can have that promise and be his if we have faith and just believe.
Woo!
Grabe.
Grabe.
To trust in you with all of my heart, to lean not on my own understanding, 'cause I just forget. You won't give me what I can't bear. Take me out of the dark, my Lord, 'cause I don't don't wanna be alone. Take me out of the dark, my Lord. I don't wanna be there. No, no, my Lord.
Yes.
Grabe. Ano nakalagay dito? If my people who are called by name will humble themselves and pray and seek my face and turn from their wicked ways, then I will hear from heaven and I will forgive their. Ayun. Basta yun yun.
Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged. For the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go.
True.
Teach me to trust in you with all of my heart. To lean not on my own understanding, 'cause I just forget that you won't give me what I can't bear. Take me out of the dark, my Lord,
Amen.
'cause I don't wanna be alone. Take me out of the dark, my Lord. I don't wanna be there. No, no, no more.
Wow.
May your glory be yours, my King, my Lord.
Grabe.
Grabe. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to Him and He will make your path straight. Grabe, ano?
Amen.
Amen.
Amen,
Grabe.
Sir Gary.
Actually, ito, in-upload niya ata to 3 years ago. Kasi yung original song nito talaga, parang revival na rin to eh.
Pero yung unang revision niya, napakagaling na, napakaswabe na. Tsaka kasi, alam mo, yung kahit gaano kaganda yung kanta, kahit gaano kaganda yung lahat ng kanta, at yung maging yung message, nasa pagde-deliver din eh.
Totoo yan.
At katulad ni Sir Gary, talagang nakaka-catch up siya ng lahat, ng feelings, ng emotion. At kaya yung mga taong nakikinig dun sa kanta niya, talagang mahuhook ka at talagang makukuha mo yung message.
Totoo. Tsaka si Sir Gary Valenciano kasi, alam naman natin talaga na yung song, the way he sing the song, 'di ba? Kumbaga parang storyteller kasi siya.
Yes.
'Di ba? Hindi na basta kanta lang ng kanta, storyteller talaga siya.
Tama.
Kaya 'yun ang kagandahan doon sa kanya.
At Christian ba si Sir
Yes,
Gary?
I believe Christian siya. Comment down below kayo guys kung Christian nga ba talaga si Sir Gary.
Tsaka yung
Valenciano.
mismong kanta, Ninong, napaka talagang
Solemn.
tsaka sa kahit kailan, parang hindi
naluluma. Oo,
Hindi naluluma. Kasi lahat tayo dumaraan sa mga pagsubok, sa mga yung tinatawag na minsan parang nasa dilim nga tayo,
Darkness.
no? Sa darkness. Sa lahat ng bagay, no? Kaya yung kanta kaya kung dadamhin natin yung kanta, lalo na yung sabi niya, parang hindi ako deserve na tawagin mo. No, minsan lahat tayo may calling pero sa iba-ibang ministry, no. Pero yung calling natin kung minsan hindi natin naririnig.
True.
Kaya kung minsan parang nadadala tayo sa pagsubok na sinusubukan tayo ni Lord, no. Kaya minsan pag ito yung kanta na akmang-akma sa ganong sitwasyon ng buhay, no. Na sana yung message ng song, pag wala na tayo sa dark, wag na tayong pupunta pa ulit. Kasi nasa atin pa rin naman yun. Di ba?
Tama yan. Ayan guys, grabe. Grabe talaga ang kanta ni Sir Gary Valencian at napakaganda ng impact sa atin. No?
Tama, tama.
Ayun, at kung nagustuhan nyo, nako, wag na kayong mahiya. Wag na kayong mahiya. Please like this video
And subscribe.
and share this video as well, di ba? At kung meron kayong mga request dyan na gusto nyong gawa namin ng reaction video, please comment down below lang po kayo para magawan po namin. Okay, hanggang sa muli. Ako po ang inyong Ninong Ray.
At ako si Matuling Vlog.
Bye!